Hi everyone, I'm going to walk you through the new Coverings Hub portal. We'll start with how to log in. When you come to coverings2024.smallworldlabs.com, you'll land on the landing page. If you click on Exhibitor Login, you'll come to a login screen. If this is your first time logging in, you're going to have to set up your password first. So you're going to want to click on the forgot password / first time login. Put your email in here and you will receive a message, an email to this email address to set up your password. It'll redirect you through the site and log you in. I'm going to not do that part because I already have an account. Once you've gone through the process with the auto email you received, set your password, it'll bring you back to this screen to put in your email address and your password. I recommend remembering your login, and then you'll click login. Now, before I move on, I'm going to make one other point. The contacts that you stipulated on your online contract are the contacts that are able to log in. So that means the contract signer contact, the primary contact, and the invoice contact. Those contacts have automatically synced over, and those are the emails that will be able to retrieve a password to log in to the new hub. So once you're logged in, it drops you here on the dashboard where the exhibitor list is. We're going to take a look at the Exhibitor Hub page where all of your resources are for you to access and for you to build out your profile. That will show up in the exhibitor list, in your booth from the maps, as well as in the mobile app. So to access the Exhibitor Hub, you'll come right up here and click Exhibitor Hub. Now I'm going to walk you through this page fairly quickly. One thing I do recommend is to take the quick tour. This will walk you through the page as well. Very important is this bar, this blue bar at the top. This takes you back to our sales page where you can complete financial transactions like making a payment, downloading your invoice. If you'd like to purchase upgrades for your profile or purchase sponsorships, you're able to click on this link and it'll take you back to the legacy Exhibitor Hub that I'm sure many of you have seen before. This is where the financial items still live. If you would like to update your contacts at any point so that new contacts sync over to the hub, you're able to do that here as well. So again, from the hub, this blue bar has a click here link, and that will allow you to access the covering sales page. Moving along, you'll notice this is a bit different from years past. You're able to upload a cover photo. You're able to upload your company logo as well. And to do that, you'll notice there are 3 little dots in the top right corner of this cover photo. When you click on that, you'll see you can add a cover photo. Add photo will add your logo. And then add featured photo gives you an additional photo that will show up on the main dashboard page, which we'll go back to in a bit. You're also able to add press releases, products, show specials, your new products for the online gallery, and a video. If you would like to add more of any of these items, that's when you can go to the sales page and purchase enhanced e-booth listing. That will all sync to the hub and you'll have the opportunity to add more content to your profile. The About section and the Contact section, you're definitely going to want to review these and update both. This information is what attendees are going to see. To do so, you'll click the edit icon top right and simply fill out the fields. Please be aware that when selecting your product categories, you can only choose 5. If you choose more than 5, your changes will not get saved. So please only choose 5. Once you've updated, you click Save. And then you'll want to go to the Contact section and do the same thing. So click on Contact, Edit, fill in your information, click Save. Moving along, you'll notice on the left you have a list of tasks. Some of these tasks link out to a form for you to complete. Others link out to other sites. As you complete these tasks, we recommend checking them off. This will make sure that you're on track with all of your different action items. You'll see your featured links where you can get to your exhibitor services manual, book your hotels, get visa information. And then there's marketing resources, copies of past newsletters, and information about sponsorships. When you do upload your product, press releases, show specials, and videos, anything you upload will appear at the bottom, and that is where you'll be able to access it to make edits, delete, add new, etc. All right, quickly, I just want to show you where your profile information will actually show up and how attendees are going to look at it. Here you'll see I'm on the dashboard. Earlier in this video, I mentioned that you're able to add a featured photo, and you'll see here on these tiles, this is a featured photo. So please feel free to upload those. When you add your contact information in your profile, like your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and your website, those will show up as icons on your card. So be sure to take advantage of all of those opportunities for attendees to see your content. Once we have collected more products, press releases, show specials, and online gallery listings, we're going to start promoting additional pages that showcase these items. So I just wanted to make sure everyone can see that when you upload those different items in your profile, in your hub, that these are gonna also be visible to attendees. So for example, this section is for the new product showcase. We'll have a product section, press release section, show specials. So be sure to complete all of the different elements of your profiles. Attendees, if they like what they see, will be able to click Explore, and that will go into the details of what's been entered, as you can see here. And they'll be able to also click on your company name to go to your profile. So this is what a profile looks like that's been completely built out with a video, different types of listings, with beautiful pictures and full information about the company.